I will be teaching you a very simple way of learning murmurs, heart murmurs. For this, all you need to remember is MR, TR, VST, mitral regurgitation, tricuspid regurgitation, and ventricular septal defects. These three have got pansystolic murmurs. For this, you will need to divide it into right and left side. On the right side of the heart, you have got tricuspid valve and pulmonary valve, right? And they have murmurs like tricuspid regurgitation, stenosis, same for pulmonary. And on the left side, you've got mitral and aortic. Do the same over here. For this, TR, MR, you've got systolic murmurs, right? Just take a cross diagonally. PS, pulmonary stenosis, and aortic stenosis will also have systolic murmurs. The rest of these have all got diastolic murmurs. As for the localization, you need one simple diagram. This is the sternal area, right side, left side. Just draw these A, P, T, and M. Second intercostal space, fourth or fifth intercostal space. This is the aortic area, pulmonary, tricuspid, and mitral. So if you have a question like systolic murmur on the left sternal edge, that would be the tricuspid area, left sternal edge, and the fourth intercostal space. Okay, so according to this, we have left sternal edge, fourth intercostal space, it's tricuspid area, and systolic murmur, it's tricuspid regurgitation.